We are unboxing Godrej 1.5 ton window AC. It will be installed in place of the old AC, which is non-functional now, and I have brought it in an exchange for that. So let's unbox it and see what are the things available with it. You get an instruction manual, a drip tray, a remote, the front grill. This is standard with all ACs. Now we need to see whether it fits in that particular slot or not, because the earlier AC was 1 ton, so it was smaller. Okay. This is the frontal view. These are all touch buttons, and this is the front condenser. The rear one is back, and it has got a swing fan. So let's fix it up. So removing the old panels. ओके मैंने जब इसको बनाया था थोड़ा गैप रख के ही बनाया था, क्योंकि बाद में अगर 1.5 टन लगाना है तो उसका प्रोविज़न रहे। तो दैट हैज़ बीन सक्सेसफुल। तो अभी देखिए एकदम परफेक्टली फिक्स हो गया यहाँ पर। तो फिक्सिंग हो गया ये एकदम परफेक्ट, और अच्छा सपोर्ट भी है, क्योंकि देयर इज़ गुड सपोर्ट बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑन अ कंक्रीट स्लैब, सो नो नीड टू वरी। Just slide it inside the cover. So it is successfully installed.
তোমার হয়েছে না? টোটাল ঘুরে আছে, তুমিও পারে দিও।
So it has been fitted, and we'll gradually cover up this additional area. इसको cover करना पड़ेगा। Finally, the product has been installed and it has started to cool, and I have purchased it from Amazon, and I have got a good discount in Amazon too. And if you have any queries regarding the product, you can comment in the comment section below, and I am ready to answer all your queries. And the product works fine, and if you are interested to buy online, buy from our links that is provided in the description box. We'll try to cover the gaps. So hope you like the video, and if you have any queries regarding the product, you may comment in the comment section below, and I will give all the answers. And the product has been fitted successfully, and I took the installation service also through Amazon. So thank you very much, goodbye and namaste. Please do subscribe and like if you think the video is useful to you.